Yes, hello all. Welcome back.
Mm,
So in this session,
okay.
I will let you know what exactly
Mm,
the difference between centralized and decentralized credit process.
mm,
Okay. See, if we check the credit processes,
mm,
we have two types of credit processes.
mm,
Okay. What are them?
mm,
Centralized credit process and decentralized credit process.
mm,
So mostly you will face this question in the interviews.
mm,
Many of my students has told me that they have faced this question in the interviews.
mm,
So that's why only I am creating a separate session for this video. It will be just around
okay.
4 to 5 minutes video.
Mm,
But why I am doing the separate video is because this is the important question.
mm,
See here, I will let you know what exactly the difference between centralized credit process and decentralized credit process.
mm,
Okay, so
okay.
I will explain you by taking one a diagram.
Mm,
See, this is what is the centralized one, and this is what is the decentralized one.
mm,
Okay,
mm,
so in the centralized process, see if there are different company codes like M100,
mm,
M200, and M300. So we have a common credit control area.
mm,
What is the common credit control area?
mm,
So in decentralized process, if we have three company codes, for example, M100 and
mm,
M200, in the same way
mm,
M300.
mm,
So here what we can find three
mm,
different credit control areas. So credit
mm,
control area 1, credit control area 2, credit control
mm,
area 3.
mm,
Okay. See here,
mm,
if multiple company codes
mm,
are having a single credit control area,
mm,
then we will call it as centralized credit process. What it means? If multiple company codes are having a single credit control area, then it will be called
mm.
as, what is that? Centralized
Color. Mm, control.
credit control area.
Control area. Mm,
Okay, and if
okay.
each company code is having a different credit control area,
Mm,
then this process is called as decentralized.
recent.
Yes,
Rate control.
yes. So this is what is mainly the difference between centralized credit control area and decentralized credit control area.
Mm,
And credit management is the integration between, what are the modules?
SD, SD and
SD and
FI.
EFI.
FI.
Okay,
Mm,
so I think you
okay.
are clear with it.
Mm,
And I
clear.
will take one a real-time scenario,
Mm,
so in which I will let you know what exactly the difference between centralized credit control area and decentralized credit control area. So unless and
mm,
until I will explain you by taking one scenario, you cannot come to a conclusion. Means you just can know what exactly the centralized and what exactly the decentralized here. But
mm,
I think it's better if I can give you a real-time example and a real-time scenario.
mm.
So I will plan for that. And for now, I hope you are clear with the session. And if you have any queries in this regard, you can ask me at any time.
Mm.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, okay then. Thank you. Bye.